So when you're using your booklet, go to your index, find the recipe that you want. I'm making shepherd's pie today. Tap that, goes straight to the recipe. When you're shopping, zoom in on the ingredients. That's all you need to buy. Then when you get home, use the instructions. Once you've cooked something, please pop over to Facebook. Let me know how you've got on, maybe show me a photo of what you made, or if while you're cooking you've got any questions, pop over to Facebook, Fresher Bites, ask me a question. There's a very good chance I'll be online and I can answer your question, or there might be someone else in the group who can answer your question too. Happy cooking!